Chapter 10-1, Ratios. Today we're going to be working with ratios, so without further ado, let's jump right into example number 1. Write a ratio that compares the number of footballs to the number of basketballs. The first thing that we want to do is we want to make it into a fraction. Now the top number is going to be the number of footballs, the bottom number will be the number of basketballs. I do all the counting and I get 6 on the top, 4 on the bottom. Now we're going to treat this like we do with any fraction that needs to be reduced. We're going to reduce it. They're both even numbers, so I can cut them both in half. 6 over 4 is the same as 3 over 2. I do not have to convert this to a mixed number. My final answer will be 3 over 2. This means that for every 3 footballs, there are 2 basketballs that can be grouped alongside them. We're going to try another example now. Write the ratio as a fraction in simplest form. 6 wins to 8 losses. Real quickly, I turn this into a fraction. The number of wins is the top number. The number of losses is the bottom number. 6 over 8. Now my next step is to reduce. As you can see, both numbers can be divided by 2. That leaves me with 3 over 4 as my ratio. Sometimes in ratio, we're going to come across what's called a unit rate. In this case, the problem is 120 points in 3 minutes. We're going to turn this into a fraction. Now for some of my advanced people out there, you know that this is eventually just going to be a division problem. Really, we're just going to do 120 divided by 3. We do the division correctly and we're going to end up with 40 over 1. I'm going to turn that into my answer as 40 points per minute. To summarize, we have just completed Chapter 10-1, Ratios. If you have any questions, please contact me on my email address or visit me on my website. Thank you and have a great day.